Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to calculate the sum, multiply, and subtract of text or multi-text values in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. This Lisp will allow the user to perform arithmetical operations on numerical data within text. The user is prompted to select text containing numerical data, and then either choose an arithmetical operation or place the result of the current calculation in the form of a multi-text object in the drawing. First, load the AutoCAD Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Add some text containing numerical data. Type TC to activate the Lisp. Then select text containing numerical data and choose an arithmetical operation. Finally, you can place the result of the current calculation in the form of a multi-text object in the drawing.